Hello folks, welcome you to the Tools Hub. Today, we're diving into a world where tools and inventions push the limits of human creativity. Get ready to be inspired, let's jump right in. This woodworking machine is where precision engineering meets skilled hands. The wood is cut so smoothly you'd think it was paper. This groundbreaking device is sure to please any avid golfer. It transforms the golfing experience into something completely different. Mark accurately, tap to the beat, and the job is done. That's how good craftsmen work. Are you ready to be one of them? Ever dreamed of flying? This is the perfect way to practice. Who knows, it might soon become a new sport for everyone. Grass gone in seconds? Trust me, this powerful crawler clears everything in its path. After just one pass, the ground is as good as new. Imagine a cozy home rolling up to you, fully furnished and ready to go. The comfort of home and the excitement of the road all in one. With this tool, peeling becomes extremely easy. Just a few simple steps and the fruit or vegetable is ready to enjoy. Don't let a dull blade slow you down. The right tool will help you sharpen quickly and get back to work. Want convenience? This key is compact, efficient, and small enough to fit in your shirt pocket. It hugs the tree trunk with steely strength, then cuts through it as easily as a surgeon's blade. For professionals who value precision, this is a tool worthy of trust. Acting as a thorough sorting device, this machine easily removes impurities and leaves behind only clean, neat finished products. Precision is evident in every movement. Tired of messy duct tape and plumbing? This clever tape dispenser will keep things neat and tidy and completely stress-free. It may look small, but its blowing power is extremely strong. Dust and debris will be blown away, even in the most uncomfortable corners. Say goodbye to sore muscles. This tool loosens soil easily and precisely. The result is perfect rows and a garden you'll love tending. It's hard to say why this wall is chiseled in all sorts of ways, but one thing is for sure, it's a real treat to look at. Installing floor panels by hand is slow and laborious, but with this trusty assistant, you can cut the time almost in half. The result is simpler than ever. Have you ever thought of a smarter way to water and care for your plants? This one-step method is a real time saver. Say goodbye to the hassle of mowing your lawn. This innovative machine makes the job easy and fun. You'll be hooked from the first try. This clever little device does the hard work while retaining all the nutrients and flavor. Trust me, your taste buds and body will thank you. Gone are the days of slow manual packaging. This smart machine handles everything with professional precision and incredible speed. Have you ever seen how easy and fast it is to pack firewood into a bag? It takes very little effort, and the results are excellent. Have you ever seen how easy and fast it is to pack firewood into a bag? It takes very little effort, and the results are excellent. This block of stone doubles as an elegant bench, bringing a new sense of relaxation to the outdoor space, a quiet place for those who want to sit and enjoy. Removing tiles used to be a pain, but this device makes it look as easy as taking apart a puzzle. Shelling corn is now faster and easier than ever. In just a blink, you'll have plump, juicy kernels ready to enjoy. Wrapping huge bales of hay or silage is impressive enough, but when a giant machine gets involved, it's a real show. With PamFast, the job gets done faster, and your back is pain-free. Smart, fast, and body-friendly. Believe it or not, this tool adapts to any dimension with ease. That adaptability makes it ideal for high-precision, high-flexibility tasks. Removing coatings from concrete surfaces used to be a challenge. But with this powerful tool, everything becomes faster, cleaner, and easier than you think. If you are bothered by mud stuck under your car, then this is the perfect tool for you. It can remove any stains in a jiffy. Ironing clothes at this speed is a display of skill and refinement. Each item is delivered to showroom perfection, crisp, clean, like new. Turns out a simple bottle opener is incredibly useful for removing old wall accessories. Simple tool, smart results. Cleaner forests, healthier soils, environmentally friendly and practical. Sounds like the right path, right? Holding wood in place is now easy with this precision jointing tool. The secure grip delivers clean cuts and perfect results, turning raw material into fine art. No words can adequately describe what you are about to witness. Just follow along and let the perfect rhythm and intricate details draw you into this magical process. Traditional carpentry is a challenging process that requires the skill and dedication of skilled craftsmen. Darkness is no longer an obstacle. This powerful lighting device turns night into day, ensuring every detail is brilliantly illuminated. A good craftsman needs more than just skill. He also needs the right tools. This wrench makes difficult tasks simple and makes routine tasks second nature. Don't let the dangerous looks fool you. This is the precise work of someone who has been doing this for decades. Working with dusty materials used to be a nuisance, but with this compressed air cleaning device, everything disappears in a snap. This is the perfect way to grow young plants. No mess, no backache, just maximum performance thanks to this powerful device. When two metal pipes fuse in seconds, it looks like magic, but it's all about precision and the right equipment. Clean joints and fast performance are only the norm when you have the right tools. With this through-wall scanner, hidden pipes will no longer be a mystery, and maybe lost patience too. You wouldn't expect it, but these little scissors cut through thick branches with ease, surprisingly effective. This is an essential tool for any cyclist. Fills up a tire in just 2 seconds, effortless. Say goodbye to your old pump and enjoy a smooth ride. Thank you for watching our video. Hope you found useful tools for yourself. We wish you have a good day. Goodbye and see you again.